if I'm your crush, get you this candle because this is me. You guys, what's up, Creamy Squad, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be talking about how to keep your home smelling good and expensive. Okay. So we don't have to just smell good on our body, buy perfumes, buy body oils. We need to keep our home smelling good as well, like expensive, okay? So without any further ado, let's get into this video. I can go broke smelling good, so is my home, okay? My home smells good 247. If you walk right through my door, it smells amazing. I'm always getting compliments. Oh, your house smells so good. In as much as my house looks good, my house smells so good. It smells expensive. It smells not feminine, but I'm always getting questions about, oh, what are you using? What air freshener are you using? What is this? Or what is that? What is that smell? What is that? First of all, I'm gonna start with what you're gonna perceive when you walk through my door. When you walk right through my door, it is this scent. This is lavender plus eucalyptus room spray. It has lavender, sandalwood, and eucalyptus and cinnamon leaves. So I collected this from Target, guys. This thing smells so, I don't know, it is not harsh, it's not repulsive. It's a very settling spray, room spray. I can spray it on my bed. It smells so good. Like when you walk right through, when I walk right through my door, the first thing I like doing is just spray this around. And when I'm going out, I like spraying this around my house before I walk out of my door, and it smells amazing. So this is the first item. And of course, moving on, I'm gonna show you guys the candle. I bought it. It's like, it came like a set. So I bought the candle that came. We haven't started burning this yet, but this smells exactly the same. Smells the same like the spray. If you're using this, I recommend you grab this. It's at Target. I'm gonna link it down below if it's still available, of course. Smells the same, exactly the same, and it has 3 burning ropes, of course. Smells so good. I love the bottle. It's girly pink. It's not that kind of pink. It's mauve pink, kind of like a neutral pink. I love it. So good. Anytime, any day. Reason why I'm making this video is because I love scents. I love smelling good. I already said that. So moving on, another thing that I love in my house is this diffuser. Okay, now this I got from Target. This just makes my house smell so good. It's gonna keep you relaxed. If you're stressed and you burn this, it's gonna make you like relax the air into your room when it just allures. It's just what you need in your home for that relaxation time with your glass of wine and just settling down. And I have it in my living room because I love diffusing my living room when I'm cooking, or when I'm just settling down. When I have a guest, I turn it on, or when I'm just chilling, I turn it on. So this relaxes because I add essential oils to it. I don't just diffuse air or diffuse air. So I add essential oils to it. I don't know when my camera stopped recording. So this is another thing that I recently started using in my home. It is this diffuser, and it smells amazing. This one smells so good. I put this on my living room table. I'm gonna show you guys how the setup is. I'm gonna film the setup so you guys can see how it looks on my living room table. But if you sit in my living room, once you sit down, this is what you smell, because I have a scent for every section. Each section of my home, of my house, of my apartment has a scent. I like a mood. Like, I just set some moods. I have a kitchen mood, I have a living room mood, and I have a bathroom mood, I have bedroom mood. So this is what I place on my coffee table, and it's so cute, and see, it's small and cute. Alright guys, moving on is this A-Week plugins. I can't do without plugins. This one you can get it in your local Kroger, Walmart, CVS, Target, anywhere. It's A-Week. And this one is essential, has essential oils. It's, excuse me, this one is infused with natural essential oil, so that's why I love this one a lot. The scent is so friendly. If someone walks through your door, it's not gonna be repulsive or annoying or offensive. It is smooth, it's subtle. It's just, it does its thing. So that's why I love this one. I can't live without this. Like, I can't exist. I can't, if I run out, I'm always buying like 6 or 4 packs at once just to store them in my, storage. All right, moving on, guys, is this. Let's get this elephant out of the way. So this is this candle. I'm always getting questions about where I got this from. If you can remember when I moved in, let's get a thumbnail. I got this from Home Goods, and this is VD candle. I always get questions. Anybody that walks through my door and looks right, because when you walk through my door, my kitchen is just right on your left. I have 3 of this. The big ones are 2, and I have a small one. I already ran out with the small one since I moved in. I started burning the small one, and each time I cook, this is what I burn. I don't burn this not like usually or when I'm just chilling at home or when I have that guest. No, I only burn this when I cook, and this thing smells so good. It lingers around. So I advise you, if you're not the type of person who likes burning candles, I advise you to burn candles when you're cooking and open your door. Okay, when you're cooking, you need to burn a candle. It doesn't have to be this one, but if I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below. It's so big, it's massive. It's VD candle. Like, who doesn't burn candles when cooking? If you did not, now you know you have to burn candles when you're cooking, because we don't want all that food smell in our house. But let me just grab my wine. Of course, you guys know. Okay, you guys know I have to drink my wine. So the next one is this one. If you are an OG, you saw when I collected this when I did my apartment shopping, of course. So this one goes with my bathroom decor, my bathroom decor, because this is my bathroom theme, orange and white. So this I burn when I'm having my bath. And guys, if you come to my house when I'm having my bathroom smells amazing. Even after having my bath and layering my body with a lot of scent, it smells amazing mixed with this. So this is the mood I set when I'm having my bath, and it's this mango sunrise, bright and juicy plus sweet. This is a DW Home scented candles. It is a big candle company, but I got this from Home Goods. All right, so I like burning this type of candles. This is a 12-pack scented tea light candles. So this one I got from Target, and this one is pumpkin spice. I love, you guys know it's fall season. I love pumpkin spice. I love burning pumpkin spice. It smells so good. It feels like something I want to eat right now. Like, I feel like eating it right now. This is something that if you burn in a small space, it's gonna smell all over. Or if you burn it, I like burning this pumpkin spice in my living room alone when I have a guest, okay, or when I'm just relaxing. So I already got it here. This is where I burn my pumpkin spice candles, and guys, it smells amazing all the time, all the time. Moving on, my closet has a different scent, and guys, anybody that walks into my closet always asks questions. Always asks, what is that smell? It is so good. This is it. This is for small spaces. You want to put this either in your car or in your closet. If you have a small closet or a room, you can put this in a room and it's gonna smell there. My closet is a little bit small, not too small, but it's a little bit small. So anytime I walk into my closet, this is the scent. It smells so good. I think this is a week. Smells amazing, and it's gonna last you. This is my second one. It has, I think I'm like 5 months here in this apartment, and this is my second one. And guys, I didn't even wait for the other one to finish. I had to put up another one. It smells amazing. So This right now, I just started burning this week. This is my weekly. This one is my week scent. So I don't like my house smelling. I don't like one scent in my home for a long time. Uh, I like switching up scents because that's why I got a whole lot of candles. I love collecting candles because I get tired of one scent. I get tired of burning one scent in my home. So this one is soft cashmere and lavender with notes of white thyme and sage. So this is it. I collected this one from, of course, Target. It smells amazing. I burn this each time I'm doing a beauty video. Recently, I started doing beauty videos like makeup tutorials. And guys, when I tell you that each time I'm sitting here filming content, walking back and forth, or getting up to use the bathroom and come in, it's a whole different mood. It's a whole different sense. So screen match this, and they still have this Target. This smells heavenly. Okay, my room smells amazing, 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 amazing. And this one too is another strong candle that lasts, lingers in your house. I burn this in the morning. I like burning this in the morning. This one I like burning when I'm filming content, sitting here with you guys. This is my morning scent. Okay, when I wake up, this is my morning scent, and it is this strawberry guava, fruity and sweet and juicy. So this is what I wake up to. This is from DW Home. Okay, all right. So for my bathroom, I like using this in my bathroom. I love Febreze. I love Febreze a lot, but I can't use Febreze in my living room. I can use it in my kitchen, maybe after cooking, but I love this for my bathroom. When after using the toilet, I like spreading this around. That's it. I have a lot of it, and I like using it in my bathroom. This is specifically for my bathroom. This is my bathroom spray. Moving on, I love collecting candles, like you guys already know. Now this smells good. This one is warm cider and cinnamon with notes of apple and orange. And boy, did they lie. No. Now this reminds me of I don't know, a classy lady who knows what she wants, of course, who is clean, who loves wearing white outfits. Like me, I love white. So this reminds me of that lady, and she is sitting on her patio drinking some tequila, and yeah, guys, this candle is a mood. It sets a mood. It's powerful. Okay, moving on, I think this is gonna be the last candle I'm gonna be reviewing because I don't want this video to be too long. But like I already said, like a lady, you want your home to smell good. You want to vibe in your home. Like, what are you doing, sis, if your home isn't smelling so good? So this one is the last one, and oh, this smells like money. Okay, this smells so much like money, and I love the packaging. Can you guys see? When I say it smells like money, the bottle, like, it is amazing. It is. This is a threshold candle. Okay, the quality is gonna be amazing, and this smells like me. Okay, if you want to know what I smell like, get you this candle. If I'm your crush, get you this candle, because this is me. Cypress and juniper scented candle. It smells so good. It smells so amazing. It smells like a woman who minds her business, who is classy, who knows what she wants, who can get what she wants at any time. Yes, this is it. This is me in a bottle. Okay, this is me in a candle. Okay, you want to burn me? Got you this. Grab you this. I can't wait to smell. I think I want to burn this in my bedroom. This is gonna be my bed because I want to wake up to this once I'm done. I like switching out candles. I'm not gonna burn the same candle the whole week, or I can burn this for 1 week and get another one and burn it for the next week. Switch them out because I love switching out my mood. Like, I hate when my house smells the same every other day. Okay, so I'm gonna start burning this in my house tomorrow, which is Monday, which is the beginning of a new week. Today is already the beginning of the new week, but tonight is almost over because it's 4:39 p.m. So, and the weather is gloomy, very, very gloomy out there. So I'm gonna burn this starting from tomorrow. The bottle is so fancy. This is me. Bottle, fancy. All right. So let me know down below which of these items you're gonna be going for, because girl, every woman needs all of this in their home. It might look like a lot, but it's not. I haven't added my cleaning agent like I already said. So you wanna grab 1 or 2 of these items, or 3, and set your house in a mood. It's gonna be holiday season. You don't want anybody walking into your living room or walking into your home and your home smells like pancakes or smells stuffy. Okay, you want to air your one secret I do every day. This is like a tradition for me, guys. I want to put you girls on because y'all are my faves, y'all are my love. So when I wake up every morning, I open my door, I air my house. I air my living room, I open my bedroom door, open my living room door, and like I air my home every single day. Every single day of my life, I air my home. I don't know how to wake up and not open my door or open my window. Like, what are you doing, sis? Air the house. Air all the fat you've had, you did be farted at night. Air all of that out, okay? You need to air your home if you want your home to keep smelling fresh and unstuffy. That's another secret. So that concludes the end of this video, guys. But if you want a part 2 of the cleaning supplies I use, comment down below and let your girl know, okay? And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for, sis? Click that subscribe button because you want fun videos like this. You are interested in seeing fun videos like this, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next one. If you're returning, thank you, girl, for all your support. Love you, girl. Love you guys so much. Binge watch other videos. Subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.